Like you said, ganun ang buhay eh. Plus, it would only hurt you if you don't accept the reality of show business. Ako lagi ko iniisip, na-experience ko na rin naman na, like you said, na naging mabango ka. Na-experience mo na yun eh. Eh ngayon, i-enjoy mo na lang kung ano pa yung nandyan. I'm just very grateful that I'm still here. Nung dumating yung asawa ko sa buhay ko, yung parang, ito na yung life na gusto ko. Aside from my life as a singer, as an artista, ito yung pinapangarap kong buhay for myself. Yung career mo, alam mo naman yun, magiging buhay mo yun eh, di ba? Pero yung magkaroon ka ng ibang buhay, aside from that, yun ang pinapangarap ko. Matagal na. At ibinigay ng Panginoon yun sa akin. Ina-explain ko nga sa mga bata na it's good to have a career. It's good that your career is your life. But you also have to remember that you have a real life. Kailangan may inuuwian ka. Diba? Kailangan may pamilya ka. Kasi masarap yun eh. Dahil yung career natin natatapos yun eh. Diba? Alam mo naman yan. Tapos parang pag natapos, tapos na. Parang ang pangit kung ipagpipilitan mo pa yung sarili mo doon. So pag natapos na yun, you'll feel more secure. Parang ako, kaya I feel secure eh. Kaya sa akin yung career ko parang okay lang kahit may iba nang dumating. Kasi I'm very much secure with my life. Diba?